The following tutorial will show you a fun upgrade of your Canvas course by adding a course image. Course images offer a helpful visual reminder of which course is which that will help your students and you to be able to quickly locate your courses on your Canvas dashboard. This video will show you how to make a unique course image and to load it into your course. Next, we'll go to PowerPoint in order to create our image. The standard widescreen 16 by 9 aspect of a PowerPoint slide is the appropriate dimensions for creating your splash screen image for your Canvas dashboard. If you choose to use text in the dashboard image, it's best to have your main text be at least a font size of 80 and bold. Subtext should be at least a font size of 48. For our demonstration, I'm going to make an image for pre-apprenticeship carpentry. That's CIT 301 for our new Clawson Center. So first, I add the course name. Then I may want to add an image. I'm going to just use online pictures selected by Bing. Okay, I'm going to keep the Creative Commons on. This makes sure that the image that I'm using is appropriate and copyright for our needs. So I'm going to insert this. In this case, I want it over onto the side to give lots of room for the course name, but you could put it underneath however you want your image to appear. Do a final spell check and you're ready to export your image. To export an image from PowerPoint, you would go to File, you can select Save As, and select JPG as your method of saving. It'll allow you to select all slides or just the one you're looking at. And now you have your image ready to add to Canvas. Now that I'm within my Canvas course, I would go to Settings, and on the course detail page, you can add an image for your course. Unlike changing the name of your course, all students will see the course image. So I would select course image, and then I can drag and drop my course image. So you can now see the pre-apprenticeship carpentry card on my dashboard that includes a helpful image for students. This is just a small change that can make a big difference in how welcoming your class looks as students are first entering it. Additionally, as you copy this course to other courses, the image will go right along with it.